नाव देखे भाव देखे मुझको ते ताव छोरा रा 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 ए छोरा रा 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 मान देखे गान देखे जयपुर का तू थान देख रा 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 ए छोरा रा 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 ए घुमर घुमर घूमे घूम 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 झुमर झुमर झूमे झूम 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 रंगीलो 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 रंगीलो.
Hi everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 12th of Feb and currently the time is 8:30 am and today is our day 2 here in Jaisalmer, and at the moment I'm here at the rooftop restaurant which is the Miraki restaurant, and this restaurant is right above our hotel which is the Mangalam Hotel. Okay, so we are starting our day off from here today, and today we are going to be visiting the Jaisalmer Fort or the Sonar Killa. So let's start the day. So this is the all sitting arrangement they have, and they also have this beautiful view of the Jaisalmer Fort right from here, but at the moment due to sun maybe you all won't get a clear view, but I'll put up a picture that we clicked at night from here so you all will get an idea. And from here you all also get the view of the Mandir Palace which we visited yesterday after we came. So it's a really nice restaurant, good to chill out.
रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो 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 रंगीलो.
So this is the restaurant which is managed by Mr. Naveen Sutar. Currently he is managing 3 restaurants. Those are situated on rooftop of the Havelis only.
So there are 4 entry points for the fort, and we are going to be entering from the Akhe pole, that main door. Okay, so yep, let's go to the fort now.
रे जोगी है रे रोगी है रे ना होती जो बातें पे होती होती होगी है रे होती होती होगी.
घुमर घुमर घूमे घूम 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 झुमर झुमर झूमे झूम 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 रंगीला रंगीला.
So we have reached here at the entrance, okay, of the Jaisalmer fort, and this is the Akhe pole. So now let's go inside. So that's from where we entered, okay, and now we are inside the fort complex. So right when you enter you have all those shops and all, everything for a little bit of shopping, and then from here you all have to keep going up to the upper part of the fort. So now this here is the second gate which is the Suraj pole, and now we are entering from here. So at this hour you don't really have much rush, okay, if you all come in the morning, but when like the day starts, it starts getting crowded a lot. And just like that, here we are on the third gate. This is the Ganesh pole. Right after you enter the Ganesh pole, there is this desert art gallery, and look at the collection they are having. It's so beautiful, okay, and it's put up till that end. Really nice handicrafts they have here. So just when we came, there's also a group of international tourists, so they are also touring this fort with the help of a guide. Okay, so talking about the guide services, right when you all enter, okay, you all will find many guides. So some charge 100 to 200 rupees for, and they give you all a tour of the whole fort. So if you all want to know in depth about the fort, you can definitely rent a guide for yourselves. Okay, and now here we are now at another portion of the fort. So we have reached here to a point, and like all the vehicles, this is the last point till where they can come, and it's so crowded. Okay, I mean only like 4-wheelers, this is the last point. Okay, 2-wheelers can still go till up, and it's really crowded. Okay, just few minutes ago I was like it's not crowded, it's early hours, but well, it's so crowded. And so this is actually a living fort, so there's no chance you'll be able to walk in peace. Okay, because you know, there are like scooters going. So because the Jaisalmer fort is a living fort, which means that like there are families living here. Okay, so there are like up to, you know, like 4,000 to 3,000 families living here. So we are now inside a Haveli, which is the Bari Haveli, and this Haveli is like a 450-year-old Haveli, and look at the things it's having inside. This is the Talwar. Okay, they have not mentioned anything, they have like just kept things, so I'm just showing you all. And look at this, such a vintage vibe looking at all these things. So these are the pictures of their ancestors. Okay, and then you have there some pictures of the Jaisalmer fort, old pictures. Then you have here the vintage clock. Wow. And look at these utensils, you can actually touch them. They are not like covered in glass and all, so it's really a good thing. You all can like feel everything. And now I'll show you the main door of this. Here is the sitting area, and you know, like these are the mattresses. Okay, and then you have the balusters there, and this here is the hookah. So यहाँ पे जो भी लोग बैठते थे, they are sitting and they are enjoying their hookah. Okay, and here as well there are these doors. So that is there, and then here you have different kinds of glasses. Okay, so I don't know the material and all. I'll get more information on the glasses and then I'll share it with you all. So that is a lamp, I think. Then a few more glasses, and then you have some pictures. Okay, and a few more. I don't know what these are. So this here is the door, and this door as well is a 450-year-old door. It's so good, like you'll see the thickness. It's like this thick and so strong and sturdy. Here there are a few more utensils. So that is the water heater, I guess. इसमें पानी गर्म करते हैं ना? This is used to heat water. Still, it has been used at some places. Like if you all go in like South India, you still get to see that. And I don't know what is this. So now this is the second floor, and here you basically have chair, tables, and all that. Some jewelry here. So these are the interior walls. Okay, I mean, like, look how thin they are. Today we don't even see such thin walls. and all these walls are like quite cold. And now we are going on the third floor. These are the very ancient coins right here. Okay, well, we have never seen this kind of coins. Okay, then here there are a few more coins. From this I have seen like most of them. We also have a collection of coins at home. Then you have the old notes. I have seen these as well, but these are something which I have never seen. These are the iron, cloth irons. Just look at the stairs to go on the terrace. They're like just steps. There is nothing down. Have you all ever seen such steps? Like in today's, like architecture and all, you don't get to see such stairs. Okay, without any support down. So that was the way to the terrace. So we are now here at the top. This is the terrace, and look at the view that we are getting from here. So literally the whole city, and you also can see the rooftop cafes and all. And right here is the Jain temples. So these here are the Jain temples here. This all is inside the fort. Such a beautiful view. So majority of such, like old Havelis and all, they have either been converted into, like such museums or restaurants, heritage like themed restaurants and all. So that is there, and you'll find many such in the Jaisalmer fort. So the Haveli, the Bari Haveli is actually, it was the residence of the Rajguru of Raja then, like the olden times. So that's the reason why, this particular Haveli has many number of tourists visiting. So anyway, now you all saw the view behind me. This is the view from the terrace. Okay, and now we are leaving from the Bari Haveli and exploring a bit more of the fort area. You also have the palace to see. Now we will be going there as well. So yep, let's go. We have now come outside the Haveli, and now we are going to be visiting these temples. तो जैन टेम्पल के जाते वक़्त यहाँ पे हमें एक शॉप मिली, जो कि ये बहुत ही सुंदर सी जूतीज़ सेल कर रहे थे, एंड इनके पास और भी थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें थी। तो इनके पास जो है बहुत ही अच्छा वैरायटी का मतलब कलेक्शन है फ्रिज मैग्नेट्स का, एंड हम लोगों ने यहाँ से खरीदे भी बहुत सारे। तो मैं जो है आपको ये शॉप एक बारी अंदर से दिखा देती हूँ, ठीक है? चलिए। तो ये जो है, ये है ओनर की वाइफ़, इनका नाम है संगीता जी, ओके, एंड ये इनके पास पूरी वैराइटीज़ है फीमेल जूतीज़ की, एंड इनके पास मेल फुटवियर भी अवेलेबल है। तो आप जब भी यहाँ से जाओगे टू द जैन टेम्पल्स, आप डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे आ सकते हो एंड चेकआउट कर सकते हो। सो ओवरऑल मेरा तो यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था एंड इनकी जो वाइफ है ओनर की, वो भी बहुत ही अच्छी थी। ओके, सो डेफिनेटली चेकआउट करिएगा इनकी शॉप को। नंबर बता दीजिए।
8955237789 अनिल व्यास किले ऊपर।
जितनी बढ़ेगी उतने मान देखे गान देखे जयपुर का तू थान देख रा 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 ए चोरा रा 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 रा।
So we are now walking towards the museum now, which is the palace. So we were just going and we got this shop. The name is Chandrakanta Arts, and just look at the beautiful portraits and all the owner has painted and is selling now. So beautiful.
रागर बाग में झूल झूल के गीत में गालूं फूल फूल के मूल मूल रामोती माथे।
So this is the Maharaja Mahal and we are now going inside, and this itself is the museum. So I'm just showing you all a view from here, and look at the crowd, it's so much. And here a major group photo shoot is going on.